This is a quick overview of the OCASI Service Information System, or SIS. We named it SIS because it's short and also because it works in many different languages, including French. SIS is an evaluation platform with three major elements plus training videos. The three elements are a community data portal, an indicator registry, and a set of evaluation tools. Together, they provide a full set of tools that you can use to evaluate your programs and your community using a combination of your own agency's data plus public data sets from Statistics Canada. The first box on the homepage is Get Started with SIS. That section will include video tutorials like this one and other training materials and documentation. We'll be adding lots of training videos and updating them as the site changes. Now I'll go through each of the other elements in turn. The Community Data Portal will allow you to create profiles of your own community on employment status, employment income, and a range of health issues like sense of belonging, life satisfaction, housing, and so on. To begin with, the portal will include two major data sources from Statistics Canada, the 2011 National Household Survey and the 2014 Canadian Community Health Survey. In the future, we plan to add other data sets and to include the 2016 versions of both surveys when they're released. You'll be able to use the portal to generate custom reports for your census division or subdivisions and choose what characteristics you want to explore. We'll be adding more demographic breakdowns like region of origin, and we'll be asking you for feedback on what reports would be most helpful to you. See the separate video on the data portal for how to use it and for more details. The indicator registry will contain all of the indicators and survey questions in SIS. Right now it's unfinished. We're still adding questions on the basis of agency requests and research. We're focusing on outcomes that are relevant to OCASI member agencies. That's employment, social inclusion, health and well-being, access to services, housing, and essential skills. The registry is built on an open source software program called the Aristotle Metadata Registry. It was originally developed by the Government of Australia. It's very technical, and most users of SIS will never get deeply into the registry. It's based on international standards for how to define metadata, which is very useful for the design of information systems and not so helpful for program staff. So most of you will be ignoring this section unless you have specific interests in research or evaluation. For more information about the registry, see the separate video tutorial. The evaluation tools element of SIS is still heavily under construction. Over the next few weeks, we're going to be building these sections. Creating a logic model or theory of change, we are going to be creating a generic logic model for all of OCASI member agencies. Based on that logic model, you can drill in and choose your particular major outcomes for your programs and the indicators that match them. We're going to offer a section on designing an evaluation plan, so helping you decide what your priorities are and what indicators are going to lead you to better services or help you communicate better with your funders. The third subsection is going to be developing a data management plan, or a DMP. A DMP explains to people what data you're collecting, where it's going to be stored, who has access to it, when you're going to delete it, and what the variables are. And data management plans are essential for ensuring that you are managing the data ethically. And in many cases, that's what's going to be submitted to Research Ethics Board if you decide to involve a Research Ethics Board in your evaluation plan. The next section is going to be reviewing your data collection tools. So in this page, you'll be able to go and look at all of the surveys that you are sending out to your clients or your staff or your volunteers, however you want to be doing your evaluation plan. So you'll be able to monitor them, look at them, ask for customization and so on. And then finally, you'll be able to go to your reports and dashboards. And this is going to be in the data warehouse, and you'll find out more about this in the evaluation tools separate video. You'll be able to create reports and then share them with the people you choose. So you might have dashboards for your board, dashboards for your funders, dashboards for your program staff, and so on. And that's it for the quick overview. For more detail, please go to each of the separate video tutorials, and we're going to be adding more details as we develop SIS over the next few weeks. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please email sis@logicaloutcomes.net or go to the website ocasi.sis.ngo and I hope you enjoy it.